Hello everyone and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. Today we are going through the process of creating a YouTube channel. Now if you already have a YouTube channel and got some videos up, that's okay. Still go along with the tutorial as there can be some changes that you can still make to your channel to make it the best it can possibly be. So to start off with a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account. As I want to start fresh, I'm going to create a new one right here. So I'm just going to speed through this. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you already have a Google account, you don't need to do this. So we've made a Google account. But if you already have a Google account, you should be signed in and on the Google homepage. We now want to navigate to YouTube, which you can either do by pressing the waffle button here or typing in to Google. Sign in. Hey! And once we are signed into YouTube, we will see our little icon over here. So I haven't got any, but that's okay because I'm going to start from scratch. I then want to go Settings and go down to Create a New Channel. So this is the name that students or other teachers or anyone on the internet will see as your name on YouTube. So you want to make it something appropriate and maybe something that people can remember. As this is just a test channel, I'm going to call it Mr. Seaview Tech V2, as this is our second account and it will be deleted after we go through the tutorial. I'm going to go Create Channel. And here is my YouTube channel. As you can see, there are no videos, no photos, no wallpaper, no nothing. So the first thing we want to do is go to Customize Channel. So as you can see, we have a channel description, a profile picture, and channel art. I recommend putting photos into all of these. Now, if you don't have any photos or things that you want to put up, you should. So a good site for getting photos to put up is Pexels. So all the photos on Pexels are completely royalty free. You don't have to give any names or say where they're from whatsoever, and you can use them freely. You can search whatever you like and you get all these amazing high-res photos. So as this is going to be a tech channel, I'm going to pick a techie image over here. This one looks nice. So I can find the photo that I've just downloaded and it will upload that. Now, cropping can be an issue as well. So if you have any words, you need to get this really right and it might take you a couple of tries. So as you can see, I've got a box that moves around here. So the full-sized box outline here, this is what will display on a TV. Now, not a lot of people will review your content on a TV. So we need to optimize it for desktop, see the letterbox there, and mobile. So the rectangle within the larger rectangle is what people will see online. So since this is just a circuit board and it doesn't really matter what people see, I'm just going to line it like that. But if you have text, like at Seaview Tech Tips channel, this may take a couple of tries to get it right. As you can see, we have a nice circuit board as our background, and now we need to find a profile picture. Okay, so I'm ready to put in my channel profile picture. So I've already made one for Seaview Tech, so I'll just use that. But if you don't have one, go onto Pexels and find a photo that you can chuck up. So I want to go to the edit icon, edit, and upload a photo. So this will actually change the profile picture for your Google account. So if you have a personal YouTube, Google account, you may want to create a new one for school. and you can freely crop the image, but that is fine, so I'm just going to press done. So we now have a channel icon, some channel art, but we don't have a description. So we now have channel art, a profile picture, and a Google account. So to change your channel description, we want to go to the About section on your channel page and go Add Channel Description. So this can be very long. You can put in enters, you can put in email addresses for people to contact you, or any information that you like. I'm going to copy the one from the Seaview Tech Tips page. And just paste that in there and press done. If you want a contact email address, you can put that in here. So the reason you put it in here is so it can't be taken by robots and you can be spammed a lot. So put that in here if you have one. For location, you can select your location or none, but I'm going to pick Australia. And if you have any additional links to add to your page, you can do so here. You may want to add things like your school Twitter account, the school Facebook page, or a website that you may operate. But I don't have any of those, so I'm going to press cancel. So let's view the page as if we were someone who watches your videos. So I'm going to go View As and click Returning User. So this is what it looks like at the moment. It's pretty bare. But if we go to the About section, we can then see the description, the channel art, and the photo. So these buttons will not be here. These are just showing for you so you can see, so you can edit things. What we want to do now is we want to upload a video, our first video. Okay, so to upload our first video or a video, so if you already have a channel, you can do this as well. So we can be on the YouTube homepage or anywhere on YouTube, and we press the little plus on the camera. We then go upload video, and we can either drag and drop our video file in here or click on it and select it. This is my video that I want to upload, so I'm going to press open. As you can see, it is uploading, but we can still edit all the settings as it's still going. It's about 3 minutes for it to upload. So here we have a title of the video, so you want to make this quite easy. As you can see here, I've used this title before for a montage on the school account. So you want to make it quite simple, and you want to include some keywords as well. I'm going to name it Photoshopping My School. We have a description to put in. So this is good to put in keywords as well. If you reference any websites in your video, it is also a good idea to copy and paste them in so people can easily find the websites that you've used. We also have a tags option. This is not seen by anybody, but YouTube decides if you have a tag that says maths video, when people type in maths video, you'll come up. You want to use quite niche tags, and really descriptive things. So because this is photoshopping, I'm going to type in Photoshop school fun, and I'm going to make up a whole lot more. So as you can see, I put a few in here. You can have a couple of words, and then when you want to create the new tag, you just press comma and that will automatically create the box for you. But I'm going to delete that tag there. Although there are no spoken words in this video, but there probably will be in yours, we can select the original language. As this is English, we'll select that so it'll be easier and quicker for it to subtitle it. And I can tick default for new uploads. Set language. And you don't have to add any translations by yourself, as YouTube will automatically do this using Google Translate later. If you want to, we can go to advanced settings. I'm going to turn off comments. I'm going to keep ratings on. Standard YouTube license is fine. I wouldn't worry about these as we are not in the US. We can allow embedding. Yep, that's fine there. It's not inappropriate, so I won't tick the age restriction. Category, you can pick the best category for yours. I'm going to go film and animation, but normally school videos would be about education. Video language, English. And this is always a good idea to tick, but you need to keep an eye on it as well. Recording date, so I can either select a date that I recorded it or just press today. We can keep that on, and this video does not contain a paid promotion, so I'll leave that unticked. Now, in this time, it has finished uploading and is ready to be published. So I don't quite like this thumbnail that it's chosen for me, so I'm going to go to the bottom of the page and select a new one. If you don't quite like these, there is an option that will appear under the video to change the thumbnail if you want to create one yourself. We then want the video to be public, so people will see it on my channel. If you want to go unlisted, you can share a URL or a link to your students and they will be able to access it privately. But I'm going to go public. And that looks all right. So I can go publish when it finishes saving. I can go back to the YouTube homepage and go my channel, and the video will appear here. So that is the basics of setting up a YouTube channel. As you can see, we've set up the channel and we've uploaded a video for students to view. Thank you for watching. We hope you've learnt something, and we will be putting up more videos in the future on creating a YouTube channel and making it grow. Thank you very much.